We're Brook Energy Limited, and we manufacture biomass solid fuel for the retail and wholesale market. Well, predominantly we manufacture a product called Hotties heat logs, which is using raw materials, predominantly from sawmills and wood joineries as waste, clean grade A material. We then manufacture that and dry it and chip it into a heat log that you would use on open fires, chimneys, wood burning stoves, multi-fuel stoves, predominantly as a heating source, but also from a leisure point of view. Well, actually where we are in the office and our factory site was specifically chosen for where we could get our source of supply of electricity and power. The Gittes family, they own an AD plant which generates enough electricity for the entire site for Simmons Farm, and it operates our entire factory operations. So although we are plumbed into the national grid as a backup, we don't actually use any electricity. That AD plant is actually using waste maize, again from the family farm, to create the electricity. So again, we're actually creating renewable energy from renewable energy. Well, the company was launched by my managing director, John Jardine, who's a local gentleman, and it was launched in June of 2011, which is when I came on board with the project. It's been an interesting time, as you can imagine, from a start-up manufacturing company. We've had our ups and downs. We've obviously had our production set up here on the Simmons Farm site owned by the Gittes family, which is another local farming family. We've progressed from obviously being able to supply locally through Suffolk, Norfolk and the East Anglia region, all the way up to current date in 2013. We supply everyone from the Channel Islands all the way up to the Orkney Islands. Basically taking our sales and our stockist numbers, and we've multiplied that by around about 5.5 times in the last 12 months. Production's obviously been key to that, and obviously being able to source and supply all of our raw materials within the East Anglia region has been very much a key to the success to where we are at the point. So a lot of the independents we talk with actually do support and want to go back to the basics of supporting English and UK companies manufacturing or supplying raw materials, whatever it may be, from within our own borders.